Senate President Chiz Escudero says the Senate is set to discuss next week the Supreme Court's ruling which declares the impeachment articles against Vice President Sara Duterte as unconstitutional. The Supreme Court earlier ruled that the impeachment complaint against Vice President Duterte is barred by the one-year rule, halting the Senate's scheduled trial. During the Senate session on Tuesday, July 29, Escudero says the chamber has agreed to schedule the discussions on August 6 to give ample and sufficient time to the members to study the decision.
For the record, it was agreed in caucus that the matter will be decided upon by the Senate on August 6, 2025, when we open session on that date, in order to afford ample and sufficient time to the members to study the 97-page Supreme Court decision, excluding the concurring and separate opinions filed by 5 or 6 additional magistrates of the Supreme Court.
An all-member caucus was held on Tuesday afternoon before they opened the second session day of the 20th Congress. In a separate interview, Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri says it was Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto III who appealed that the discussion be made on August 6. According to Zubiri, majority of the senators agreed with Soto's suggestion, but Zubiri also says some really wanted to be dismissed on Tuesday's session. Meanwhile, Escudero, in a briefing on Tuesday morning, says he believes there is no longer a need for the Senate impeachment court to convene after the Supreme Court declared the impeachment case of Duterte as unconstitutional. However, he emphasizes that this is just his personal opinion, as the decision of the majority of the Senate will always prevail.
Personally, ang posisyon ko ay bilang abogado ay ito. Nagdesisyon ng Korte Suprema, sang-ayon ka man doon o hindi, dapat ito'y sundin. Kung hindi, magkakaroon tayo ng constitutional crisis at baka tingnan tayo ng mga karatig bansa natin at ibang tao na isang banana republic kung saan sinusunod lamang natin yung mga gusto natin.